So hey guys, as we all know, the Galaxy Unpacked event is only a few days away, and the closer we go, the more rumors and reports surface. But we should be careful since the news or video might be fake and you should not fall for it. Yes, I will show you a fake S23 Plus hands-on video that you should ignore since it is fake, and as well as some excellent information about the Galaxy S23 Plus pre-registration offer. First, let's speak about the bogus video. As you can see, this guy claims to be holding a Galaxy S23 Plus and even shows the phone settings. It looked real at first and I fell for it, but when I saw it carefully, I realized it was a fake phone. The person may be holding the Galaxy S22 Plus from the front, and he is even showing the back of the phone, but there is a catch. As of right now, we all know the Galaxy S23 series single back camera will be little bumped up from the surface. And in this image, the cameras are flat and the side border is peeling out as if it has a taped on other phone. And the setting menu is also photoshopped. So I believe you have all the information to verify the original Galaxy S23 Plus if it was actually leaked in real life. Now comes the pre-registration deals for the Galaxy S23. Samsung appears to have created a teaser image for the next Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event. The image exposed not just the launch date for the Galaxy S23 but also an attractive pre-registration offer. The company said it would give the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro to everyone who pre-register for the Galaxy S23 and purchase it once the series goes on sale in the country. Similar deals are likely to go live in other countries. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is among the best pair of true wireless earbuds for the Galaxy or Android users, and it usually costs $299 in the US. Since Samsung won't launch the newer flagship wireless earbuds until the least later this year, this deal would be excellent for anyone who is looking to pick up the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. Samsung could bring even more pre-order deals once the Galaxy S23 series goes official on February 1st, 2023. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 Plus? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.